Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can check the group management and create group summary. So from the group management, I will go to the create group, and here you can check all the groups which you have created. So you can scroll down and check all the details. And if you want to change any group name or you want to change any assignment, you can click here and change the group name, and you can change the collector name, and here you can update the details. So this type you can check group management, group summary. Here also if I scroll down, here you can check the group summary. So this is actually for Cheat Fund. But standard group you can check from group management, create group. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.